Guys, today I'm sharing no eno, no curd, even no soda, crispy ragi dosa. So let's get to the recipe. To make this, let's first add 2/3 cup of ragi. Ragi is great in calcium, vitamins and many properties make a powerhouse of nutrients. Add quarter cup of urad dal to make the dosa more crispy at the same time rich in protein. Add quarter teaspoon of methi seeds. Next add some water and let it wash a couple of times, then soak this overnight. Soaking is very important as it reduces phytates content. It's next day and I'm adding all this ragi, dal and methi seeds into a blender jar. I'm also adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of poha to make the dosa more crispy. Blend all this into a smooth batter. Oh wow, our dosa batter is nicely blended. Transfer it into a bowl and let it add some rock salt as per your taste and mix it with your hands to make it more easily fermented. Cover it and set it for about 3 to 4 hours. Then our fermented healthy dosa batter is ready. See how nicely. Now it's time to make our dosas. Grease the pan with some oil. Pour a ladle full of batter slowly in circular motion. Form a thin dosa. Cook until the edges start to lift and the bottom turns golden brown in color. Roll out the dosa and serve it. Make sure that you repeat this process with the remaining batter too. Spread it. I'm also adding some vegetables to make it more nutritious. Now your gluten-free, high in fiber, protein, calcium, iron and essential amino acid dosa is ready. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such healthy videos and like this video. You can serve this with homemade tomato chutney which I have already shared. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.